Good morning to all.
Namaste, sir.
Aradhya is studying first standard. Today Aradhya will say states and capitals. Aradhya ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start. Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Dispur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Simla,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Trivandrum,
Madhya Pradesh,
Gopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Imphal,
Meghalaya,
Sri Lanka,
Mizoram,
Iceball,
Nagaland,
Rohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Sikkim,
Gangtok,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
special
Biryani,
biryani. Do you like biryani?
yes, sir.
Okay. Tripura,
Agartala,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
West Bengal,
Kolkata.